Dear students, in this video you will learn about load test on 3-phase induction motor. First we will discuss about the aim of the experiment to conduct load test on 3-phase induction motor and plot the following characteristics: BHP versus slip, BHP versus efficiency, BHP versus power factor, torque versus speed. To conduct this experiment, so we need some operators. So what are the operators are required? So operators required for conduct the experiment is voltmeter 0 to 600 volts range, MI type, we need one quantity, and ammeter 0 to 10 amperes, MI type 2 is required. Wattmeter 10 amperes 600 volts UPF type and 2 wattmeters are required. Tachometer to measure the speed, one tachometer is required. Connecting wires as required is required. So next one, this is a circuit diagram or connection diagram of the experiment. So ammeter, voltmeters, wattmeters are connected as per circuit diagram. Coming to the procedure of this experiment, connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. Measure and note down the circumference of the breakdown by using cotton thread. So we need to take a thread, so we need to measure the circumference of the breakdown. So by that you can calculate the radius of the breakdown. Spring balances S1 and S2 are kept in 0 output position by operating the adjustment wheels T1 and T2. By keeping the 3-phase auto transformer voltage in 0 output position, the supply switch S1 is closed. Vary the auto transformer voltage gradually and apply the rated voltage of induction motor. So around 415 volts we need to apply using the auto transformer. The no load readings of all the meters and speed are noted down. The induction motor is loaded gradually by tightening the belt till the rated current. Each load, all the meter readings and speed are noted down in the tabular column. All voltmeter, ammeter, wattmeter, speed, all the meter readings you have to note down in the tabular column. To stop the motor, so we need to remove the load. Load is removed, belt is loosened. The 3-phase auto transformer voltage is reduced to its initial 0 output position. Auto transformer we have to bring back to the 0 initial position and supply switch S1 is open. So this is the procedure of the experiment. Now we will see the demonstration of the experiment. After connections are made as per circuit diagram, so we need to start the 3-phase induction motor, that is squirrel cage induction motor, using direct online starter, DOL starter. Okay. So now motor is running at some speed. So now note down the voltmeter, ammeters, wattmeter reading. So wattmeter 1 and wattmeter 2 readings we have to note down, ammeter readings and voltmeter readings we have to note down. Now check the speed using the tachometer. So now speed is 1488. The speed we have to note down in the tabular column. So using the spring balances, apply the load. So apply the load on the induction motor step by step. Note down the ammeter, voltmeter, wattmeter readings, also speed of the induction motor. So these steps repeated for getting other readings. After taking the different readings, release the load on the induction motor, release the load on the induction motor and stop the motor using DOL starter. Stop the motor using direct online starter and release the supply. So this is the demonstration of the experiment. From the experiment we got these values: V, voltage, ammeter, wattmeter, S1, S2 and speed. So using these values we have to calculate the torque, bhp, output, slip and efficiency. And these are the formulas we will use to calculate the required values: output power, efficiency, cos pi, civil slip. These values we will calculate. So these are the model graphs of the experiment. So according to the model graphs we will plot the graphs. So these are real time graphs. So finally experiment result, hence following characteristics curves are obtained: efficiency versus bhp, speed versus torque, bhp versus torque. These are the characteristics we will obtain from the experiment. So these are the most expected viva questions from this experiment. So 8 questions are there. So these are the questions you have to learn for viva. Thank you everyone.